Hi, so it's been a while. Last video was a few months ago. I'm just away out on another one night camp. Winter setup, a bit heavier than normal. Oh, there's a car coming. But yeah, just setting off. Got about 3 or 4 miles till my camp, I think. So yeah, I'll do that and I'll probably bring you back further along the way. So I've been walking for about, I don't know, maybe half an hour, something like that. Not too far for camp now. Sunset's at what, 20 to 3? So as long as I get to find somewhere and pitch up before then, I should be okay. But yeah, in this video I will explain what happened to the Borders Abbey series, because I am aware that 3 happened and it just kind of cut off. But I will explain that because those of you that are watching and that have watched those videos might be wondering where the remaining journeys are, and I will give you an update on that when I get to camp and set up and things. I'll probably just bring you back then, because shots the camera and talking and things in the winter on these days with less sunlight is kind of time consuming. So I don't think I'll be doing many talking to the camera spots while travelling to camp anyway. Maybe more on the way back, but not as many when I'm travelling to camp. If anything, it'll just be some walking clips, maybe some scenery photos, if I think there's anything worth showing you. Welcome back. I think I'm going to pitch kind of there where my bag is, on that tree, just like in that area. Yeah, so I'll bring you back once I've done that. So we've got the Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2 to try it. This is the tent. Right there's where I'm going to set it up, as I said in the previous clip. And there it is. Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2. Just made it just before sunset. Perfect timing. Right, but anyways, I'm gonna go get set up and get some coffee, and maybe think about getting something to eat, because I am a little peckish. But I'll bring you back once I've got everything set up inside the tent. And for those of you wondering, I will be putting the guy lines out later if the wind picks up, but gusts tonight are only expected to be around 6 to 8 miles an hour, so it's not really enough to need worth putting them up. But if it gets any higher, I will get out and put them up. Right, that's me in the tent now. sleeping mat is the Big Agnes Rapide XL. This is the bag, you have seen it before. The Sierra, hold on, Sierra Designs Get Down 20, limit of -8. It's only due to get to about -1 tonight, they're saying on the weather, according to all the apps and the newsies and things. So yeah, and of course we've got the pillow here, the Flextail cozy comfy pillow, whatever it's called. Seem to be getting along with that pillow okay so far. One thing that I've noticed amongst all campers is we all struggle to find the perfect pillow, and what's good for one person isn't good for another. So yeah, it's all just trial and error, and you've got to find what works best for you, I've figured, because I've tried ones that big rated YouTubers have said is the amazing pillow for them and they would never use anything else. Man, it just doesn't work for me. So yeah, I'm just going to get a coffee on the go here, and after I've done that, I'll probably chill, watch a couple of videos on YouTube, because I've got a few other wild campers, fellow wild campers should I say, to catch up on, and yeah, we'll go from there. Question for everybody: how do you take your coffee? Do you add your milk before the water or after the hot water? Personally, I put my milk in before the hot water. But with tea, like with a tea bag, I would put my milk in after. But yeah, just a quick question for everybody out there. Because like say with tea, I do it the opposite way. I put my milk in last. Whereas with coffee, I put my coffee, my sugar and my milk in, and then I add the boiling water. Whereas with tea, I put the tea bag in, then the hot water, then the sugar and the milk. So yeah, just random question for everybody. So welcome back. Excuse the noises of those either swans or geese flying there. You would do it just as a talk, wouldn't you? You're just trying to screw with me here. I know it. But right, anyway, I'm back, just chilling out in the tent, just lying on the mat here. Got my sleeping bag lofting up beside me. It's not too cold yet. It's only 3.4 or something, it said about 20 minutes ago when I checked. Yeah, I've just been relaxing, chilling out here. Had a few coffees and things. But yeah, I think I might maybe go for a little stroll and see how visible the tent is from further down the hill a bit. See if I can see it at all. But yeah, this is my first time using this Nature Hike Cloud Peak 2. I've had it for about a month or so. In fact, I've had it for about 2.5, 3 months. Yeah, it's closer to that, 3 months. But yeah, I quite like it. Seems fairly easy to pitch. It's got a good size inner, good, two good vestibules, good door. Seems okay for a budget tent, or semi-budget tent, I guess, because nowadays you can't really class it as budget when you can get the Bobcat for what, £70 or something, £60. I'd say that's more of a budget tent, and this is, yeah, I suppose this is a budget higher spec tent compared to the Bobcat. But yeah, like I say, I'm probably just gonna go for a little wander and see how the tent's looking and things. Maybe tighten everything up, and then I'll probably come back and get something to eat, cook some burgers, and I'll probably bring you back when I'm cooking burgers. If not, I might bring you back on the walk. So I've just been for a wander now. Tent is up in that direction. No, you can't see it. But yeah, it's kind of pitch black out here. As you can see, you can only see me due to the light that I'm holding in my phone. But yeah, just took a walk. Been now about, what, 15-20 minutes or something. Just general walk around the area that I'm in, exploring it a little bit, because I haven't actually used this spot before. It's a new spot. But yeah, like I said, a bit later than I thought I would be cooking, but I'm just gonna head back up to the tent now and get the stove, well, fire bush box thing, stove thing on the go, and we'll go from there and cook some burgers. So right, I've just finished cooking. It's my burger there. I was just cooking it on this little bush box thing here. So yeah, just gonna serve this up. Get off my fork. We'll put this in some better lighting, shall we? Yeah. A little bit of sauce. Perfect. Amazing. Burger cooked on a wood stove. Always adds an extra flavour, I think. So that's me just in the sleeping bag. Just gonna get some sleep. I'll catch up with you in the morning. There's been nothing to report really, just chilled out most of the night. Watched some videos, watched a couple of movies on Netflix, had my burger, yeah, had a few coffees, had a hot chocolate, and now I'm just chilling, gonna go to sleep. Temperature got down about 1.7 earlier on. It's due to get to -3 according to the weather, but we'll find out. The apps are saying -1, but the weather's saying -3, so we'll find out overnight if it gets any colder. But I should be warm enough in this sleeping bag, and with this pad and things, should be comfy enough. But I'll give you an update and let you know how I sleep tomorrow, and let you know my thoughts on this tent and everything. But yeah, I'll catch you in the morning. Morning folks, I've been awake for about maybe half an hour now or something. My phone was dead when I woke up, so hence why you're not getting the morning clip. And I've already had a coffee and things. Just packed away a couple of things. It's quite chilly this morning, hence why I've got the down jacket on and still got my hat on and things. But yeah, last night was a pretty comfortable sleep. I only woke up about twice, I think, to be honest. I had a really good sleep. Yeah, sleeping bag was warm enough. The Sierra Designs Get Down, oh, that's it. Sierra Designs Get Down 20. Comfort -3, limit -7. Seemed to do okay. I was toasty and warm with the Big Agnes Repeat XL and my flex tail pillow. I was comfy enough, no problems with the mat, no problems with the pillow. Overall, I'm quite impressed with this tent. Yeah, but I'm just going to go get another coffee now and wake up properly, and then we'll probably start packing up in here, and I might give you a quick whip round of the tent from the outside so you can see it in the daylight. And on the way back today, we will discuss, or I will inform you about what happened to the Borders Abbey's Way series. Because I know yesterday I said I would discuss it when I got to the tent, but I completely forgot, being honest, and I only remembered this morning that I didn't do that. So yeah, we'll find out and we'll go from there. Hope you're enjoying the video so far. So that's the tent there, as you can see. You can see a bit better just along by this dike. It's my cloth there for wiping the condensation from the inside. But yeah, like I say, it was a good night. So I think I'm just gonna get the tent pulled down now, since I've got everything away inside. Well, the sleeping bag and my coffee and things, couple of supplies. Just got to pack up the mat and put everything in the bag and pack up the tent. So I think I'll do that, and we'll have a chat on the way back. So I'll bring you back when I've got this down. So let's take this down. So I've been walking back for about, I don't know, a mile or something, maybe more. My watch has died, so no actually in the knowledge of how far I've walked back. Went a slightly longer route. Just wasting time, since it is a nice blue sky and sun out and stuff. Everywhere else in Scotland's apparently misty. But yeah, just thought I'd give you an update on the Borders Abbey's videos, as I said I would. I didn't end up finishing them, as you are well aware. After the Melrose to Kelso section, I injured my back after that, so I wasn't able to continue, and by the time my back was better enough so that I could carry the weights and things and do that kind of length, it was into winter, and I didn't fancy carrying my winter setup that distance. So yeah, that's kind of the sum up of that. But we will finish that. We will finish that, and we'll see how we get on from there. The sun is just playing havoc here. That's it. Right, yeah, we'll finish that probably spring next year. And now that we've done a few sections, I think there might be possible camp spots looking back over the videos if I stop earlier on at certain sections and things. But yeah, only about an hour's walk maybe to get back to my house, so I might wrap this one up here. I think you might get a couple of photos and things after this. But thanks for watching again on another one night solo camp, just out local, nothing spectacular, nothing exciting, but it was good, helps clear the head, good for the mental health and all that, so to say. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap this one up here. Might drop a photo or two in later, if not I'll see you on the next one.